Oh, what a typical view of the Foxbody on jack stands. In today's video, it's actually gonna be better than you expect, okay? Or not, I don't know. So, Ford Racing, guess what I'm doing? Going down like 3 sizes or 2 sizes in gears. Well, I'm going from a 410, because I just can't for the life of me go a quarter mile can't go a quarter mile and with 410 gears and a TH400. I just can't. I top out about maybe like right after the 8th. It's just awful. I ran a 10.97 at the track at 120. I ran at the 8th 109 miles per hour. So I think 355 should be the perfect gear for this car. I hope I don't have to buy another one. I'm gonna go ahead, take the wheels off, get the axles off, get the cover off, get the fluids draining, and let's get this gear swapped. Tonight it is 10:28. I hope that's not backwards, but let's get started. Well, I got the cover off. Everything's looking pretty good. I mean, fluid doesn't look bad at all, actually. The cover came out looking super clean. I don't see anything like no shaving, so like look at the teeth. I mean, everything looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead. I already got the carrier bearings bolts actually taken out on both sides. All I gotta do now is take this little nut off, if you guys can see it right there. Take that nut out. I almost messed up. The little guide pin that goes through here and that goes through all the way there kind of got stuck when I turned it, and it was a hassle trying to get that out. But now the ring gear's there, the pinion's still in it. I gotta take the drive shaft off and then get that one out. But this, all I gotta do is take off the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bolts, drop it down, put the new 355 in there, and then change out that ring gear, or change out the pinion. This sucks. I don't know what time is it. Hey Google, what time is it? Okay Google, what time is it?
It's 11:32 p.m.
Well, I got it all back together. I'm just letting the RTV dry. Hopefully that will stop it leaking. If you guys can't tell, right there at the bottom, it's cracked. And I'm trying to wait until to buy a new one. I don't know why I'm waiting, but I need to just buy one. But the 355s are in. Now, let's let it tack up and let's go hit the streets. Well, my gear swap is done, as you guys can see. It's slowly coming on the ground and no one's doing anything. Look, oh, it's already on the ground. See how cool that is, Zach? You wish your car could do that. Your little V6, no one's gonna know. No one's gonna know.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No one is gonna know. Now, let's go ahead and do some test passes with this in the morning. I actually had to wait before I go do this test run. The forecast said rain. It didn't rain. Well, I waited. But I totally forgot. I need to do a coil pack relocation of these guys right here. These 4 coil packs. I don't know. I just want to make sure that these spark plug wires aren't going to burn up again. Like, I had to put this one in there, my old one. And you guys can kind of tell. I'll probably pull it out for you and show you the damage on this one. Yeah. Like, this one broke or burned up. And that was just barely sitting there on the header. So, screw that guy. I got these. This is a coil pack wire kit, or extension, sorry. Made in China. Yeah, made in China. Okay, these are 36 inches, I want to say. So, I don't need to move them that far. I just want to, like, literally put them right underneath instead of being on top here. So, let's go ahead and take these off and see what I can do mounting them underneath. Okay, let's go ahead and unplug it. And this should be free as a bird. Oop, forgot one. So, coil pack is out. So now I need to find a good place to mount them where it's not gonna be in the way. And I could just leave this whole thing mounted, but I could save a lot of space, like 2 inches per little on the gaps, to put it somewhere. I gotta turn this upside down. Yeah, this is actually quite hard one-handed, not gonna lie. So I could just let it sit there, just like that. I don't know. Seems a little sketchy just having it sit there. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down and see if I can find a good spot for them. So this is pretty much what it looks like before with the coil packs on top. And then this is what it's like after the fact. So much cleaner look. Then you got all this mess over here, then no mess over here. Honestly, I like the look. It's a lot better. Now, I just gotta make sure this thing stays tight because that was my only place it was, you know, staying held in by. So let's do the other side and let's go drive it. This literally looks a lot better. As you guys can see, you can actually see one of the coils right here. But that's pretty much it. I mean, you can't really see them. Hopefully, I don't have any more, you know, mishaps with, you know, a misfire now. I do need to change the plugs and I do need to change the oil. That is a definite yes, because I don't know. I probably have like 30 passes on the oil and on the spark plug, so it's probably time to change them. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do one more check over, and then we're gonna hook up the GoPro and we're gonna head out. So I'll just see you with the GoPro. I forgot where the key was. Got it. RPM Act, everybody. If you guys don't know what the RPM Act, go ahead and Google it. Now let's see what these 355 gears are all about. Hello, old girl. I've missed you. God damn, what the hell was that? Round 2. This is how confident I am on putting on my seatbelt. I really hope this works. I had all the wires backwards. Not the spark plug wires, the actual wires. Alright, now we should be good. Woo! Okay, we did one pull without the camera, and that was a dumb idea. Let's see what popped off. Vacuum lines are good. Oh, the map. Yep, map popped right out. 68 miles per hour at 3 grand. So much better than, what, 55, 60 at 3 grand? And it's running at 190, 110. Feels good now. What the hell's that? Ah! All right. Let's see what it holds. Key to happiness right there. Key to happiness. Well, she did well. I don't know if I held 25. I don't know. It felt like it did spin on the last run. Just like a wee bit. Just like a wee bit. But maybe at the track I can actually hold it because the track is sticky. And I'm not doing a burnout at all. All I did was drive over there, grab it, and go with rocks and all. No water, no burnout, nothing. Okay, that's how street I am. No burnout. Let's go off the trailer. First off the track, right? First off the track.
That's how you still do a burnout off the trailer.
Nuh-uh, no, I'm saying no burnout. First off the trailer. Real street right there, okay? Real street, okay? Now, I guess we're working on Zach's car, so drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.